You know, there's one fighter left out of the original 8 that we haven't made a drink for, so why don't we get on that? For this, we're going to need some apple brandy, some Midori, and if you're feeling up for it, a bit of limoncello. I definitely remember to use this splash by the end of the video. As always, we need a shot glass for measuring. Please note that this is a double-sized shot glass I'm using today. And of course, please drink responsibly. Now there's one ingredient still missing here, and it's not one that we normally use. What the f- You're going to want a container you can shake for your egg, from which you will crack 1 egg white into the cup. Into the same cup, we'll be adding 2 shots of the apple brandy and 1 shot of the Midori. Take another cup and begin shaking. Probably helps to use actual bartending shakers, but we're making do with what we have today. Once the liquid is nice and foamy, we're going to add some ice. Once that's in the mix, go ahead and shake it up some more. We're going to want some more ice, this time in our actual drinking glass. And we're going to use this to strain our concoction into the glass. Nothing wrong with a little practicality. Anyway, this is Yoshi Juice.